Click on the link below to get price. The ATEX 64GB kit, 2x32GB, RAM is an impressive upgrade for the ASUS TUF F15 FX517ZC, delivering a significant boost in performance that gamers and content creators alike will appreciate. Upon installation, the RAM seamlessly integrates with the existing hardware, making it an excellent choice for those looking to enhance their laptop's capabilities without the hassle of compatibility issues. The dual-channel configuration of this kit ensures that it operates efficiently, providing increased bandwidth and improved multitasking capabilities. With 64GB of total memory, this upgrade allows users to run multiple applications simultaneously without any lag. Whether you're gaming, editing videos, or running heavy software applications, this RAM can handle it all with ease. Installation is straightforward, thanks to the user-friendly design of the RAM sticks. The modules fit securely in the existing slots of the ASUS TUF F15, and the overall build quality is commendable. The heat spreaders aid in maintaining optimal temperatures during intense usage, ensuring that the performance remains stable even under demanding conditions. Performance-wise, the difference is palpable. Load times are drastically reduced, applications open almost instantaneously, and gaming experiences are notably smoother. This enhancement in performance can also be attributed to the high-speed specifications that the ATEX RAM offers, which are well-suited for a gaming laptop environment. Moreover, ATEX stands by the quality of their products, providing a lifetime warranty that gives peace of mind for users investing in this upgrade. The customer service is responsive and helpful, which is an important consideration when selecting computer components. In conclusion, the ATEX 64GB RAM kit is a powerful upgrade for the ASUS TUF F15 FX517ZC, perfect for anyone looking to enhance performance for demanding tasks. The combination of high capacity, stability, and long-term support makes this RAM kit an excellent value for both gamers and professionals alike.